V-GES, gel casting. First, release the two wing releasers by lifting them up. Afterwards, lay the casting module down onto a flat table. Take one thick glass backplate. Make sure there are no indentations on the edge of the plate. Place the thick glass plate against the rubber sides inside the casting module. Make sure the glass plate is securely fit into the rubber by pulling the rubber upward. Take the proper size spacers and remove the protective film from both sides. Line the two spacers up on both sides of the thick glass plate. Do this for both sides. Take the alignment card and remove the protective film from both sides. Place the alignment card between the two spacers. Press on the alignment card and make sure it fits in properly. Take the U-shaped glass plate and make sure that it also has no indentations on it. Place the plate over the spacers into the casting module. Close the casting lid and lift the casting module into a vertical position. Hold the casting module like this and gently press downward on both sides until you hear a click. The wing releasers are now locked in place. After you remove the alignment card, the casting module is now ready.